Welcome. Today we are going to see one of the very basic method to solve ordinary differential equation, and that method is called variable separable method. So what is that and how to solve an ordinary differential equation using variable separable method, that we have to see. So in general the differential equation will be in this form: dy by dx equal to capital X f of x y. Now what is this function? This function is nothing but the function of these two variables x and y is a dependent variable, x is independent variable. Now what to do? We have to split f of xy in such a way that we can convert this to the following form. So that we have to see. So how to do? So dy by dx we have to write in such a way that it will be some function f of x by g of y. Okay. Then what we can write from this? We can write g of y dy equal to f of x dx. Now we can see that the left side we have the function of y only, that is g of y with respect to dy, and right side function of x only with respect to dx. So what to do after that? After that we have to integrate both the sides. So if we integrate, we will get a function of y here a function of x. So we can write some g1 of y equal to f1 of x plus some constant term. So from this we get the solution. So this equation will satisfy this differential equation. Now through one example we will see how to apply this method. So we can take one example, that is dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. So if we have this differential equation, what to do? We have to convert it into this form, then this form. Now this form is there because it will be one function of y, it will be one function of x. So what we can write from this? We can write dy by 1 plus y square left side, and right side will be dx by 1 plus x square. Then what to do? After writing the differential equation into separable variable method, what to do? We have to integrate both the sides. So after writing the form, we will integrate, and if we integrate, we will get left side tan inverse y. So this is the formula for this. And right side also tan inverse x plus some constant, I can write c. Now again, if we take right side, this tan inverse x to the left, so it will be tan inverse y minus tan inverse x equal to c. So what is tan inverse a minus tan inverse b formula? That you have to apply. So it will be tan inverse y minus x divided by 1 plus xy. So this I can write. Now right side is a constant. So that constant I can write some value, and that will be tan inverse some other constant k. So from this equation, what we can write? This is tan inverse of something equal to tan inverse of something. So from these two equations we can write this y minus x divided by 1 plus xy equal to k. Or if we simplify again, it will be y minus x equal to k into 1 plus xy. So finally y will be what? Y will be x plus k into 1 plus xy. So this is the solution of the differential equation, of this differential equation. Now, this is as I told, this is very basic method to solve ordinary differential equation. That means we cannot apply this method to solve all the ordinary differential equation. For example, if I take dy by dx equal to x square y divided by x cube plus y cube, then it is very difficult to write this in this form. Okay, f of x dx equal to g of y dy. As we cannot write this form, so we cannot convert the differential equation into variable separable form. So we cannot apply this method to get the solution for this differential equation. And how we will solve this type of differential equation, that we will see next.